This, alright. Dude, that is so hot. Dude, that's a fuckload of jello. Dude, it looks like you're fucking. It's a no gagging. It puts the lotion on or it gets the hose again. Dude, when you see this, you're gonna be looking at your damn face thinking, what the fuck? Did you catch it?
No.
Oh god, alright.
In fact, I got it everywhere.
Alright, we gotta get some papers later. Hanson, it's been over 30 seconds. I hope you know that. Hanson, you're looking mighty sexy right there. You know, if it wasn't me and I had my gonorrhea from earlier in science class. Yeah, remember?
It wasn't gonorrhea, it's AIDS, you dick.
No, we can't say AIDS. We don't have an AIDS president. But yeah, that was pretty damn funny. You done, fatty?
Yeah, I'm pretty much done.